We've seen a couple times this month fall-like air causing things to cool off pretty rapidly out there. We were back around average today, low 80s this afternoon, but the steep drop-off has kicked in thanks to that cooler air down to 64 as of right now. We will continue to drop possibly another 10 degrees, resulting in temperatures down into the middle 50s tonight. A few spots may even be closer to the 40s as a result of clear and calm conditions and plenty of that cool air. 56 for Rockford, a lot more like early September rather than the middle portions of August. Now, this may be one of the last cooler nights we have. We do have some warmer air that's going to draw into the region slowly over the next couple days, so it's only going to be about one night that we see the much cooler conditions, and they go away pretty quickly in the morning. You can see we're already back up into the 70s by 10, near 80 by noon, so don't expect that cooler air to last all morning. Plenty of sunshine in the forecast and low humidity, so it should be a fairly comfortable day again. However, keep an eye on those allergens, especially if you're allergic to weed pollen or the mold. Allergens are up to pretty high conditions as of right now, so you may start to be sneezing a little more often as we move forward here closer to the fall season, as some of these allergens are starting to spike as a result of just their growing season and getting close to that traditional allergy season. However, outside of that, mostly sunny, low humidity, 82 for the high temperature tomorrow, so just like today, warm but without that mugginess that we typically get during the summer season, and lots of sunshine from start to finish. All of this cooler weather that we've had on and off this month, not really dragging down the typical summer heat. We've had a fairly average summer, if not even a little above average. You can see days in the 80s, a little above average. Same with days in the 90s, so if the summer ended today, we'd still be above average for 90-degree days. We've had a fair share of days below 80 degrees, but typically we get about 30 throughout the whole summer, only seeing 7 thus far. And since 2012, no days in the 100s. That doesn't look to break anytime soon. As I look forward into the next couple days, a lot like the last 5 days, even with some spikes in the heat, as you can see, we really haven't seen temperatures change much. A lot of 80-degree days, 83 for today, and the next several days also in the middle 80s. So very consistent temperatures, even though we've had some cool nights from time to time or some warmer conditions. What we haven't had a lot of is rain. Only 2 days this month thus far with measurable rainfall. We usually average 10 over the course of August. Right now we're sitting about 4 inches below average for the summer. That's nearly a month's worth of rainfall. And we only get one chance so far this week, Saturday evening into Saturday night, maybe our only chance for rain over the next 7 days. Slight chance for rain though, as models still disagree on whether there's going to be rain or not. However, they are trending a little closer towards rain, possibly some storms going into Saturday evening and Saturday nights. We'll definitely keep an eye on that. Rest of the work week looking quiet with temperatures slowly warming up. Same with the humidity warming. We're right back down again into next week after that chance for rain Saturday night, James.
Alex, thanks. Still to come.